I'm going to show how to convert our Tensa4 hammock stand into the Tensa Solo hammock stand using our conversion kit. We're making some production changes to the conversion kit that have left the printed documentation a bit thin and confusing, so I'm making a video to bridge the gap. We begin with one of the four segment sections of Tensa4. That is a large outer segment with the laser etched logo, 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the large end, we're going to attach a foot that will go on the ground. The foot contains a hole, and 90 degrees off of that is a nubbin that we're going to match to this hole, and sort of massage it on, let the nubbin find the hole, and that's secure. I'll extend this just to be able to set it on the ground. We're next going to remove the Tensa4 outer foot. We try to make it a snug fit using this tape as a shim. You can leave the tape on if you're going to convert back to Tensa4, or remove it if it bothers you. The inner foot we remove with this little 3D printed part we've made that pushes buttons on both sides, so that should pop right out. Again, you'll want to retain that for conversion the other way. Next, we're going to attach the number 5 segment or tarp extension. This completes the full height of our pole. To hang the hammock, we'll take one of the ball loops from Tensa4, pull the ball through, always in a self-tightening manner like that. The hammock hangs here, tensioning this line, and then the guy lines go on top of that so they can't slide down past this joint. Your ball loop may also lack the pin. They work exactly the same way. So I'll break it down now. It's always easier to start from the top and go down. Now, if I keep pushing here, this number 4 segment can push out an internal spring button inside the end of number 3. And if that's problematic or bothers you, that's what we provide this spacer for. So to install it, and again, go to the 5, 4, 3. This is the 3 section, and remove the spring button. We'll install that spring button inside the spacer like this. Pops out, insert it in, and then reinsert into this number 4. And that causes this hard stop, so it can't hyper collapse like that. That's the purpose of the spacer. The conversion being complete, you can pop it into the carry bag that we provide, along with you can use the anthems that come with Tensa4, or alternate webbing or am steel lines, and you're ready to go hang. Thanks.